Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this amvontz luggage scale and tape measure. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link to this in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So it says luggage scale and tape measure, never be charged for overweight luggage again. So you can use this before a trip, but this is small enough that you could throw it in your suitcase so you could weigh it before you return from your trip. And it might seem like your luggage would weigh the same, but you might get souvenirs, gifts, other things you purchased while you travel, and that can affect the weight of your suitcase, so you can check it with this. So it says engineered for travel economy, compact combo unit lets you weigh and measure your suitcase to avoid overweight, oversized baggage charges. Lock in place dial, black needle locks at the weight for easy reading and resets to 0 with quick turn. Scale weighs up to 35 kilograms or 80 pounds. Tape measure extends to 100 centimeters or 39 inches. Complete with comfort handle and sturdy chrome-plated steel baggage hook. Just loop hook through baggage handle and lift up to weigh. So here's the scale. The hook here clips onto the back, so when you're not using it, that's out of the way, like so. This handle slides out. We have a tape measure here. This measures in inches and centimeters, and this should go up to 1 meter, I think it said. So it goes up to 39 inches or 100 centimeters, because there are weight requirements, but there are also dimension requirements on luggage too. So let's pull this down, and here we can pull on this. It looks like this isn't quite lining up with 0 there, so I'll just take a screwdriver here on the back side, and I'll turn that, and I'll adjust it. There we go. I like that it has that adjustment because that could be needed from time to time. So to weigh something, you hold it here, lift here, and then lift up. So I'll find some objects to lift and we'll do some measuring. Okay, so I have a bag here and I have the luggage scale, and I've moved this black pointer up to the top. So now I can lift it up. And now the black pointer has moved to the 5-pound mark. So that's very handy if you have some heavy luggage and you maybe need both hands to lift it, or if it's in an awkward position, it will remember the weight, and then I can just do this to reset it and measure my next thing. Of course you can measure all sorts of things. I have some laundry detergent here. I've reset this. Stick it in here. There we go, we're at 10 pounds. And when I release, it remembers the weight. Here I have a bicycle. So for something like this, you need to find the balance point. So it's right about here. So for something this large, I studied it with my hands, and we got 20 pounds there. So that's a very handy luggage scale. I like that it has the little pointer on there, so it records the weight. I like that it folds up real compact. So you can pack this right in your luggage, and then when you travel you don't have to be concerned about going overweight because you can weigh it. I was in a situation once where we were at the airport and our bag weighed too much and we had to rearrange things right there at the ticket counter, and it was kind of awkward. It would have been nice if we had a scale like this. We could have adjusted it before we even got to the airport. And then also you can keep track of your luggage size. And of course this ruler could come in handy for all sorts of things when you're traveling. So that's the amvontz portable luggage scale. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.